Just make my YouTube vlog about Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, um, I'm just gonna say to you, don't do that to Teacher May. Otherwise, if you hurt Teacher May, at least I reported to your dad also. I didn't accuse his dad. I messaged his dad also, his father, named Mr. Culas Cruzada. Mr. Culas Cruzada had said to me, my son is a special child. We are all special, Paulo Cruzada. What else? We are all autistic. We accepted it. I said it before. You know, Paulo Cruzada, we are autism. We are autistic. We are a gift of God. That's the word Allah. Oh, bigay natin yan sa Diyos. If you say to yourself, if you attack Teacher May, what will be happen to you? If your parents have died, oh, if your parents died, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, who will taking care of you? Nobody. Unless that is your own consequence, Paulo Cruzada. You're the one who attacked Teacher May. Teacher May, I say again, she is already overwhelmed retired. She's already in early retirement. You know, Jordan Pilapil had said to me, Paulo Cruzada never do anything. What is this? What does he do anything in social media? It's hard to say, Paulo Cruzada. You don't have understanding from your parents and from your relatives. Oh, or not only your relatives, because his dad also said to me, what about my son? Oh, my son is a special child. Oh, his mother said to me, Shania Kiana said to me, she said, Paulo Cruzada is a special child. We are special. Why do you even attack Teacher May? Ronald Rubena says to you, mahiya ka naman. That's the word. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is already retired. She doesn't have a father yet. She passed away. I didn't send condolence. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology with Teacher May. I put you in my enemy list. That is not right to harass Teacher May. Teacher May, I say again, I already told it in the whole story was, I communicate with with the others, even the teachers in CDIFI. I asked Teacher Marisa that Paulo Cruzada would be monitored by his parents. I don't want to get monitored by my own parents. At least I make a public apology to David Gill and his family members, and I make a YouTube vlog. I didn't accuse David Gill. I make a public apology. But case to Franco Morales, he met Mr. Dennis Gill and he watched the video. That 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 I will never do that again, and I will never make fake account on Facebook. At least I understand with Franco. Listen to Franco Morales, Paulo Cruzada. If Franco Morales wants to visit your house, I've asked Franco Morales and Kathleen Canete, why can't both of you visit Paulo Cruzada's house and talk about positive ways? Do not harass Teacher May. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May is already retired. She's overwhelmed early retirement. I've been talk with Teacher May and she said to me, I will never talk about Paulo Cruzada. Let's not talk about Paulo Cruzada. Similar to David Gill. Let's not talk about David Gill. cakes to Teacher May. At least Teacher May Tiburcio had said it. Oh, I just tell to my dad, oh, I want to tell to Teacher May, this is my fault too. Oh, do you want to be happen to me, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, respect Teacher May. Teacher May, she's already a retired sped teacher. Oh, I've been never said that before if she is retired. Oh, I asked by Ate Mel, I call in the telephone last 2023, and then I asked her, where's Teacher May? Oh, she said to me, she's retired. Oh, Teacher May is already retired because she's not there in CDIFI. I understand with Ate Mel. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, thanks to Ate Mel Canete, that she said to you, oh, pag wala si Teacher May, like what she said, if Teacher May was not there, who will taking care of you? Oh, don't do that. Like me, I talk with Ate Mel, I said it in the telephone. Oh, when I talk with Franco Morales in Messenger, where is Teacher May? Oh, she's in the house. Oh, she's overwhelmed, retired. I asked Denzel Joshua, my friend. Oh, my friend says to me, Denzel, Teacher May is already retired. Oh, did you tell to Rafael? Oh, I was worried. I just want to congratulated her nephew. Oh, I just want to tell Rafael I want to congratulate him. But you, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn about your lesson. Teacher May is already retired. You know that. Because you know, Teacher May is already overwhelmed, retired. She doesn't do anything to you. While I talked to Teacher May, I said to her, Teacher May, I just want to tell you, if Paulo Cruzada make a bomb joke or bomb threat, he wants to make a suicide bomber. Like, for example, he wants to force Shania Kiana to become suicide bomber. Or he wants to attack Teacher May. Oh, what will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, if you force Gina Sejo to become a suicide bomber, if you say that to Teacher May's house, oh, you will get you in trouble. If you force Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, to say a bomb joke, oh, what will be happen to you? Oh, this is hard to say, Paulo Cruzada. Respect Teacher May. Privacy.